So we just got this. So we're going to unbox this bad boy and show you what it looks like and how it works. This opens like that, this way, and this way. Now it has a blade on it, so you got to be careful. But it does have, whoa, shit. So that, you want to grab it from down here. Here's all the pieces that come with it. Save those. Put them right there. Here it is, right here. Bam, done. And apparently we've got a Hedge sweeper, which I'm not sure how that works, but we'll have to figure that out. But this is our machine right here, and the battery goes on the back, and it's the same battery as my blower. So I think it's going to work great. Let's put her down for a second. So as you can see, I've got a couple different things on here. So I got to get this off air, right? So I got to do it like that. You got to squeeze this to get the thing off. There's a little thing in there. But this is probably the exact same thing, right? So if you look, basically the same. Let me set them down. So here's where the battery goes in there, and there's where it goes in there. And it's the exact same battery. So both of these units are going to save me because I've got one battery. And so we're going to plug it into this and see how she works. The way it goes in, so you see the contacts right there? You see the contacts? The contacts have to slide this way in there. So we just kind of set it on there like that, right? And then I just push it on. Bam, it's ready to go. Now it's powered. And so I'm going to show you how it works. Let's go ahead and pull the bolt thing off. All right, let's go and see how it works. So I've got to depress this. So I've got to depress this right here. Then I pull this. See, if I just go like this, it doesn't do anything. So I got to do this. So it's a twofold process. So if you cut one finger, it automatically stops. You get it? So you got this and this. You got to do both at the same time. So again, the safety mechanism is it's dual operated. You have to have both hands on it. And if you got both hands on it, you shouldn't cut yourself. If you have one hand off and you squeeze it, nothing. If I squeeze here, nothing. This squeeze, and it moves. So, and then this allows you to turn it different degrees. So if you look here, you'll see 0, 45, 90. So you can do sideways, on an angle, and straight. And you can go the other side too, all the way. So here. So this mechanism here lets you change the angle. We're going to leave it at 0. So I'm kind of making it more round. Let me bring you over here so you can see what I'm doing. Should probably wear goggles. All right, let's take a look. All right, not too bad. Maybe over here a little bit. I think we're pretty good. All right. So again, it takes two actions. Squeeze here, squeeze here. To change angle, here. Go back. So you got, a couple different ways you can do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.